Hi, my name is Paul Andrew. I am a storyteller slash drama facilitator for Eastside Educational Trust. Today's workshop is influenced by the Black Lives Matter movement. We'll be focused on the events sparked by the killing of George Floyd and how that relates to Britain today. We'll learn about racism and different types of activism. Of course, activism has been happening over years in history, but we are going to be focusing on what's happening in today's society. Just for safeguarding, it's important to take care of yourself. If anything we discussed today makes you feel upset, please tell your teacher or someone at home or a trusted adult. It's very important that you take care of yourself and also respect each other when you're having discussions about this topic. On the Black Lives Matter website, they say it was founded in 2013 because of a young black man named Trevor Martin was killed because of the colour of his skin. And the person who did that was set free. They have organisations in the US, Canada, and the UK. Their mission is to build local power to intervene against violent acts towards the black community. They do this by combating acts of violence, and they also do it by celebrating black culture, using black joy, imagination, and storytelling. In pairs or groups, answer this question. What is racism and how does it function in everyday society? Share back to your class what you spoke about in your pairs and groups. Okay, the next task, I would like you to grab a paper and a pencil. Then I would like you to draw around your 5 fingers. In each finger, I would like you to answer this question. How do you see yourself? How would you identify yourself? Next, I would like you to write outside your fingers 5 ways how society sees you. After you've done that, I would like you to share and discuss it with your class. Most researchers agree that we are judged solely based on our identity of what we look like. Black people in society are treated differently to white people. They are given less opportunities in society based on the colour of their skin. This idea is known as privilege. Everybody has different types of privilege, like in gender, in religion, or in race. Now, we are fighting to change that in this workshop. Imagine a world where everyone had the same privilege. Wouldn't that be amazing? Some people think that racism is only visible and obvious and that it's only physical and verbal abuse. Even though these are forms of racism, on the Bernardo's website, they explain that there's also racism which you cannot see, which is built into the system, into major institutions. This is what you might heard of, systemic racism. Now, systemic racism is embedded in all ways of life, in education, in work, in the justice system, even the media. Go away and find examples of systemic racism. Remember, it's hard to see systemic racism. It's not always visible and obvious. Think about where you can find these. Maybe websites, maybe the news, maybe asking your friends, your parents, your teacher. Research and then share these back what you found to your class. Well done for all the work you've done so far. It's a really important topic. Now, your task is to create your own anti-racist campaign. Anti-racism is challenging racism all around you. Okay, what I would like you to do to get into groups, brainstorm different ideas how you can be anti-racist. Now choose one idea you can create a campaign for. Examples could be a poster, a banner, an advert, a letter, public speaking in maybe in assemblies about what you've learnt today. Now share your work back with the class.